The respiratory rate minute ventilation. Interactive calculator helps you analyze breathing parameters and calculate ventilation values for medical and engineering applications. Let's look at the inputs. First, you'll see a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options. Calculate minute ventilation, calculate tidal volume, calculate respiratory rate, calculate alveolar ventilation, calculate dead space volume, and calculate respiratory system analysis. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Minute Ventilation. Below that, you'll enter values in 6 input fields: tidal volume in milliliters, respiratory rate in breaths per minute ventilation in liters per minute, dead space volume in milliliters, alveolar ventilation in liters per minute, and body weight in kilograms. For our example, I've entered tidal volume of 500, respiratory rate of 12, dead space volume of 150, and body weight of 70. After clicking Calculate, the results show minute ventilation at 6,000 liters per minute, alveolar ventilation at 420 liters per minute, dead space to tidal volume ratio at 30.0%, and effective ventilation at 70.0%. The status indicates normal ventilation, confirming these values are within the physiological range. This calculator streamlines respiratory system analysis for clinical and research applications. Find the link in the description below.